Imagine this. You've got that killer outfit all set, shoes, belt, even the pocket square, but one thing's off, the watch. Yeah, that subtle, powerful piece that can make or break the look. Ever wondered which watch is the one for every occasion? What if you walk into a job interview or a date and your watch sends the wrong message? Pauses for effect. Well, today we're diving into the world of watch styling, matching the right watch to different occasions, outfits, and even seasons. Let's make sure you're never that guy wearing a sports watch to a formal event. Trust me, we don't want that. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to find the perfect match for every moment. Now picture this, a big presentation at work, maybe even a wedding invitation. There's a certain anxiety in getting everything just right. We're all human, and that means we're judged by first impressions. In these formal settings, a sleek, understated dress watch with a leather strap or a slim metal bracelet is like the finishing touch. Think minimalist. It's about refinement, not flash. Now, as much as we all love to flex, this is not the time for that G-Shock. Save that for another occasion, alright? Look for black or brown leather straps with a slim face, usually in silver or gold. Here's a little trick. Match the strap to your belt and shoes, and suddenly you're in sync. It's clean, it's intentional, and honestly, it's kind of irresistible. From job interviews to formal dinners, the dress watch exudes sophistication without stealing the show. And hey, who doesn't want to walk in with that quiet confidence? Next up, the casual watch, perfect for those laid-back everyday vibes. Let's face it, not every day is a suit-up kind of day. Sometimes you're just grabbing coffee, meeting friends, or, just surviving the daily hustle. Did someone say Netflix binge in pajamas? Well, maybe not the watch for that. Unless, of course, you're making a style statement to your couch. Back to a stylish casual watch with a NATO strap or leather band. These watches often come with canvas or leather straps, maybe even silicone if you're going for comfort. They're built for versatility. Think of them like your favorite jeans. They just work with everything. Neutral colors, a medium face size, and maybe a little splash of color or unique texture for personality. This is your go-to for those in-between moments. Not too formal, not too sporty, just right. And let's be honest, we all need that solid, no stress, easy watch in our rotation. Now, what about when you want to bring that adventurous side out? You'll want a different kind of watch for that. And finally, we have the sporty watch. Imagine you're out for a hike, hitting the gym, or even going for a swim. There's something freeing about it. Breaking routine, pushing boundaries. This is where your sporty, robust watch comes in. It's built for action and style, so you don't have to worry about scratches, water splashes, or even, yes, getting that adrenaline rush. Just, don't take your gold watch out for a mountain trek. Let's keep that for the office, yeah? Look for something durable, often with rubber or stainless steel straps and a rugged face. Sport watches are built to withstand, whether it's a jog or a dive. Plus, they add a bold vibe to any casual outfit. Pro tip, keep this one for your active days and watch how it blends perfectly with your streetwear as well. And honestly, there's something about wearing a watch with purpose. You're not just styling, you're ready for whatever comes next. So there you have it, the perfect watch for every occasion, whether you're out impressing at a formal event, keeping it chill with friends, or pushing limits on an adventure. A watch isn't just a piece of metal on your wrist. It's your statement, your vibe, your story. And if you're looking to find that perfect watch for every look, we've got you covered at Chronoset. From timeless classics to bold, sporty styles, explore the collection to find your match. Check the link below to discover your next favorite watch. Find your perfect watch. Shop now at Chronoset.